I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin on your Xbox by opening Microsoft Edge and navigating to Roblox. This lets you reach the official sign-in flow without guessing passwords. Once there, select Forgot Password or Username and enter the email or phone number linked to your Roblox account. Make sure you're using the exact account email. That's the key to receiving the reset link. If you don't have email access on the console, switch to a phone or PC now. You'll need that inbox or SMS to continue. Once you receive the email or SMS, open it and note the 6-digit code or click the reset link. Either works. If you're on Xbox Edge, paste the link into the address bar or type the code on Roblox's reset form. Once validated, create a new password that's long and unique. Make sure to confirm it and complete any additional security prompts. After submitting, sign in on the console to verify everything works. This step confirms you regained access and that the new password is active. Finish by strengthening your account. Enable two-step verification in Roblox settings and add a backup email or phone so future recovery is faster. Once logged in, review recent account activity and change passwords for any linked services if something seems off. If the reset email doesn't arrive within 15 to 30 minutes, check spam folders and ensure you entered the correct email. If still stuck, contact Roblox support using the official help form and provide proof of ownership. That typically resolves edge case issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.